do hereby pledge loyalty and faithfulness to our beloved alma mater, that we will remain true sons and daughters, keeping and enduring the ideas imparted to us, that we may bring the honor and prestige whenever we may be. Further, we promise to bring honor not only to ourselves and to our beloved parents, but also to our country, Philippines. And above all, we pledge to be of true service to mankind. So help us, God.
Thank you so much, Lady Tanyeza.